Okay, serious question. Why is no one talking about this place? Right in the middle of Perth City, Western Australia, there is an island, an actual island, called Heirrisson Island. And guess what? It's stunning, serene, and totally empty on a weekday, like not a single human being around, which is great. We can off-leash our dog Hannah, and she just took off from one end to another, having her great time ever because she's not really good with other dogs too. Not the friendliest dog. Not sure why. We have socialized her since young age, but she's always been grumpy with other dogs. This island, my oh my, it's surrounded by lake and the Swan River and lots of swans and other bird species we've never seen before, which is so beautiful. And look how happy Hannah is exploring this place. No leash, no other dogs, just freedom and some weird bird noises. And then there was the bird, this tiny black and white fluff ball or a willy wagtail just started following my husband, like really following, from one end of the island to the other. Now some people say when a bird follows you like that, it could be a message from loved ones who've passed. My husband's recently lost his mom, Nan and Granddad, all close together. So part of me wondered, was it a sign? A gentle hello? Some kind of comfort maybe? Or maybe she's just being territorial and wanted him off her turf? Or was she trying to sell us an extended car warranty? Whatever it meant, it was special. We kind of fell in love with that little bird. She was determined, brave, possibly unhinged. But we appreciate the encounter with you, little birdie. Funny thing is, we found this place by accident, just passing through the city and noticed the bridge and the water and thought, what's that? People even tried illegally camping here and got chased off by the police. Honestly, I see the temptation. I kind of want to camp here too now. You can see there, the little birdie is still following my husband and even chasing him. How cute is that? It is a peaceful, natural, a little wild, and totally magical, that quiet under the radar way. So we're definitely coming back for the birds, the stillness, the river.
There you go, dog. That was a big run.
Watch out. Watch out for the bird. As you can see, the bird is perching on the sign and stalked my husband for the next move.
Excuse me, bird.
And
why are you following
off
us?
she goes, chasing my husband again.
You're more following Dad. Ah,
Hannah's trying to get rid of her, but she wasn't budged. I think by now, Hannah declared that this is her kingdom now. Heirrisson Island, hidden gem in the middle of the city, dog heaven, and possibly the location of your next gentle haunting. As you can see, there are many parts of the island. There is this shady tree areas and this very determined bird. There's this riverside. But on the other side of the island, there is a kangaroo area, which we haven't got there, but I heard there is one. And then there is this shallow lake facing the city. some nice shady area. And the gazebo for picnic. So that's all for now. Bye all.